I begin with the name of Allah, who is the most kind and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear educarians. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. This is your English lesson number 8. Today we will do common and proper noun and letter writing on English practice book. So let's start our today's lesson. Material required for our today's lesson is English practice book, lead pencil, eraser and highlighter. Before starting our next lesson, let's recall our previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we learned about reading comprehension and prepositions in detail. Now let's start our today's topic. Learning objectives of our today's lesson are: after today's lesson, you will be able to learn about common noun, proper noun and letter writing. Today we will learn about nouns. What's a noun? A noun is a person, place, animal or thing. A noun is a word that represents a person, place or thing. Everything we can see or talk about is represented by a word. That word is called noun. Everything in this word has a name and that name is a noun. Any person, place, animal, thing, anything is like girl, boy, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, Mrs. Jones, school, home, playground, zoo, dog, bee, frog, cow, lizard, anything's book, flower, shoe, pencil. These all are nouns. Today we will also discuss two types of nouns, common and proper nouns. We will discuss what are common and proper nouns and what's the difference between them. What is a common noun? A common noun is a name which can be used commonly for persons, animals, places or things. It represents a whole class of its kind, like boys. Boys can be used for all boys. And cats. Cats can be used for all cats. And what is a proper noun? A proper noun is the particular name of a common noun. Proper nouns are the specific names of the nouns and always start with the capital letter. For example, word boy. Boy is a common noun and name of that boy, like Ali. Name of that boy is Ali. Ali is a proper noun. Boy is a common noun and Ali is a proper noun. Proper nouns. A proper noun is the special word or name that we use for a person, place or organization. Special word or name for that particular person, place or organization. Like here is a picture of a boy and his name is Mark. Mark is a proper noun. Similarly, country name is France, London. These all are proper nouns. Here is a car. We will use word car for common noun and model of that car is proper noun. Like Ferrari, Ferrari is proper noun. My dear students, now open your English practice book, page number 20. Write day, date and today's task. Here is a spot box. In spot box, proper noun is explained. What is a proper noun? A proper noun always begins with a capital letter and names a special person, animal, place, thing or idea. For example, Ali, Islamabad. Question number 1. Underline the proper nouns in the following sentences, then rewrite the sentences correctly. Students, you have to underline the proper nouns in the following sentences, then you will rewrite them correctly. A. I am going to see river Nile tomorrow. Here we will capitalize the N of Nile because Nile is the name of the river. It's a proper noun and as you know that proper noun always begins with the capital letter. B. Razi is reading the novel Harry Potter. In this sentence, we will capitalize the H and P of Harry Potter. Harry Potter is a proper noun. C. Many families like to visit Murray during snowfall. Here we will capitalize M of Murray. Murray is a proper noun. D. Students from Karachi visited the zoo in Lahore. In this sentence, we will capitalize K of Karachi and L of Lahore. E. Quaid-e-Azam's birthday is celebrated on the 25th of December. In this sentence, we will capitalize Q and A of Quaid-e-Azam's and D of December. F. Aunt Alina moved to Washington in August. In this sentence, we will capitalize A of Aunt and Alina and W of Washington and A of August. These all are proper nouns. G. The Australians are very good cricket players. In this sentence, we will capitalize A of Australians. H. My father bought some delights in Turkey. In this sentence, we will capitalize T of Turkey. I. Mom said Sadia could go to cinema on Friday with Sabah. In this sentence, we will capitalize S of Sadia, F of Friday and S of Sabah. Question number 2. Read each sentence. Circle the proper nouns. The first one has been done for you. First of all, we will read the sentence, then we will circle the proper nouns. And one has been done for you. B. Mr. Ali said we will eat lunch next. In this sentence, we will circle Mr. Ali. C. Coach Mike helped us win the game. In this sentence, we will circle Coach Mike. Coach Mike is a proper noun. D. My family is moving to London. London is a proper noun, so we will circle the London. E. On Monday, I will take piano lessons. We will circle Monday in this sentence. F. My favorite leader is Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam is a proper noun in this sentence, so we will circle Quaid-e-Azam. G. Sarah and Zara are twins. We will circle Sarah and the word Zara in this sentence. H. I live in Pakistan. We will circle Pakistan. I. My school's name is The Educators. In this sentence, we will circle The Educators. J. My favorite teacher is Miss Alina. In last sentence, we will circle Miss Alina. Miss Alina is a proper noun. Next is common nouns. Common nouns are any person, place or thing. They are not capitalized. Like school, flower, doctor, globe. What is a common noun? Common noun is a name which can be used commonly for persons, animals, places or things. Common nouns. In sport box, common noun is explained. A common noun represents any regular, ordinary person, animal, place, thing or idea. It is not specific and not special. For example, book, city, cat. Question number 1 is label each of the common nouns in the following table by ticking the correct box. The first one has been done for you. First word is tree and it has been done for you. Next word is doctor. Doctor is a person. Take in the right box. Table. Table is a thing. Next word is graveyard and graveyard is a place. Next, shoe. Shoe is a thing. School. School is a place. Tick in the correct box. Village. Village is also a place. Next is dentist. Dentist is a person. Frog. Frog is a thing. Teacher. Teacher is a person. Question number 2. Identify the common nouns in the following sentences and underline them. The first one has been done for you. Second B. Take a look in this jar at the strange beetle that I found in the park. Jar and park are common nouns. Underline them. C. I had liked to be an astronaut and fly a rocket to a faraway planet. Underline the words astronaut, rocket and planet. D. I lost my pen at school. Underline pen and school. These are common nouns. E. Luckily my teacher found it under a desk. In this sentence we will underline teacher and desk. F. At the farm we saw a huge cow. Underline the words farm and cow. G. The farmer said it had won a trophy. Underline the words farmer and trophy. H. The ferry took us over the sea to a small island with a large volcano on it. Underline the words ferry, sea, island and volcano in this sentence. I. The grass had grown so long in the garden that I couldn't find my football. Underline the words grass, garden and football. J. The shelf in my bedroom has a dinosaur on it and lots of dust. Underline the word shelf, then bedroom, dinosaur and dust. Now we will learn how to write a letter. Write a letter to your father or mother to tell him or her why he or she is special to you. Heading. The heading can include your address and the date, but you can just put the date. The heading is in the upper right hand corner of your letter. Next, greeting. The greeting is your way of saying hello. Since this is a letter to your mother or father, you can simply write Dear Father or Dear Mother. Don't forget your comma after your greeting. Body. The body is where you write your message and include your wish for others. Be sure to explain why you want this wish to come true. Closing. The closing is your way of saying goodbye. You could use anything: sincerely, your truly, your friend, your daughter or your son. Now we will write the letter. Examination hall, city ABC. Then we will write date. Dear Father, I am writing this letter to express my feelings and to tell you that how much special you are for me. You love us a lot. You treat my mother like a queen. You always fulfill your responsibilities. You are a blessing of Allah for us. May you live long. Ameen. Your son or daughter, XYZ. Now let's summarize our today's lesson. What we have done today? We have done common noun, proper noun and letter. Your today's task to do is revise common noun and proper noun from English practice book. I will see you in my next lesson. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.